Hello student, today we are going to start the topic radicals. What is meant by radicals? Radicals means to formation of any type of compounds. To formation of a compounds, the electrostatic force of attraction between we have to charge in charges, cation and anion. So formation of any type of compounds two attractive forces between two charge cation and anion. Cation means positive, anion means negative, and to formation of a compounds. And cation is always right in compounds left side, and anion is right on right side. So that time formation of a compounds. So radicals are of how many types of radical? Two types of radical: acidic radical, basic radical, cationic and anionic. So the compounds with ionic compounds have two constituents are there, and these are cations. It is also called as positively charged species, positively charged ion, and anion means negatively charged ion, and they take part in chemical reaction independently, and that time chemical reaction takes place, and therefore it is called as radicals. The compound formation with the help of cationic and anionic charges, and that cationic and anionic charges it is called as the radicals, and they are take part in chemical reaction, and it is called as the radicals. Simple way, two types of radicals are there: cationic, anionic, acidic radical, basic radicals also there. Now some examples we have to write here: base and acid. So first base we have to write here NaOH. So NaOH means sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, this formation of sodium hydroxide base, we have to one Na plus charge and OH minus charge, we have to bonding between and to formation of a cation and anion. Cation means positive charge. So sodium is one electron losses, and to charge form on this atom Na is positive and OH minus ion. Now another example, KOH. K also one electron losses and K plus cation form and OH minus ion. Then CaOH twice, also Ca plus is formation of a Ca plus cation and OH minus anion. So that time base we have to cation and anion to formation of a base. Now like as example of acid we have to formation of hydrochloric acid H plus Cl minus. So H plus and Cl minus, HBr, H plus cation, Br minus anion. Then HNO3, H plus NO3 minus, means two types of cation and anion will be formed in base and acids also. It is seen from above chart. We have to clear that different bases such as NaOH, KOH, CaOH, OH twice, all these bases are when a various cationic radicals are paired, and it is also called as a basic radicals means anionic, and acidic radical basic radicals it is called as cationic, and acidic radicals it is also called as anionic. Simple way, basic radical means which charge species, so it is the cationic means positive charge species, and acidic means so minus means negative charge species. So basic radical they charge form on composite radicals we have to positive, and another is the base acidic radical the charge on it is the minus, it is the negative. Now we have to clear that radicals are of two types: any type of compound formation positively and negatively anion, positive and negative ion, they are formation strong electrostatic force of attraction in between them. So cationic anion and anionic anion means cation and anion. So two types of radicals are there, and basic radical it is the cationic, and acidic radical is the anionic. Like as example of CaOH twice, H2SO4, like as the example of the acidic and basic. So simple way, radicals are of two types, cationic and anionic. So it is called as the radicals. Now last topic in this lesson is chemical formula of compounds and recapitulation. What is meant by actually chemical formula? We have to write here chemical formula. We have to write some cationic and anionic. Cationic anion give and take electron to formation of a to formation of chemical bond and to formation of chemical bond and to form a chemical compound also. Now this compound we have to write some steps are there. Writing step chemical formula. We have to write this type of question asked in examination. Write down the chemical formula of compounds. Recapitulation. We have to write 4 steps. We have to write chemical formula. Write the 4 steps. First step, to write the symbol of the radicals. So first we have to left side write basic means cation, write always in compound. Left side is the basic radical on left side and acidic radical on right side. So that time, second step, to write the valency below the respective radicals means we have to write firstly to radical constituent, then radical constituent we have to write, and then below that constituent we have to write their valencies. The valencies we have to also like as the different type of elements are having their different valency, and that valency showing the that constituent element below the constituent elements. Now third step, to cross multiply means we have to write also in second step their valencies, and that valencies also cross multiply with one another that constituents. Now fourth step, we have to write down the chemical formula of the compound. Last step, the cross multiplication, we have to write their chemical formula. We have to take example and clear this recapitulation of chemical formula and compounds. Now first we have to take one example here. Write down the chemical formula of recapitulation of the sodium chloride. Name of compounds is, how is the name of compound? We have to take one example, sodium chloride. So sodium chloride, we have to not uh, idea about sodium chloride formula. So that time firstly we have to write sodium means constant, also we have to write here sodium and chloride. Sodium and chloride. Sodium means Na and chloride means Cl, means sodium chloride. Sodium symbol is Na and chloride symbol chlorine. Chloride means chlorine. We have to write two constituent here. And first step, to write the symbol of the radicals. So sodium chloride Na and Cl. Now to write the valencies below the respective radicals. Now write valency. Again this Na and Cl right here, and now sodium having atomic number is 11 and electronic configuration of sodium 281. Now Klm. So two cell completely filled, and last cell how many electrons are there? 1 electron. So valency of sodium is 1, and this valency right below the respective radicals also. Now chlorine atom, another is the chlorine atom having atomic number 17, electronic configuration right 287. So last cell how many electrons are there? 7 electrons are there. We have to write in last cell. So x, the rules are there, x is greater than 4. We have to write the rules 8 minus x. We have to, this value of last cell valence electron is greater than 4. So that time we have to use this rule. 8 minus x value we have to write here 7 is equal to 1. Now valency of also Cl is also 1. Now to cross, third step we have to write here Na valency 1, Cl valency 1, and third step we have to write to cross multiply as shown by arrows in the number of radicals. Only cross multiply here in this step also. Then cross multiply Na atom valency, Cl atom valency, and Cl we have to cross with Na valency, and to cross multiply we have to write Na, how is number 1, and write here Na, and Cl also 1. The molecular formula of the compound of sodium chloride we have to write. This is the chemical formula of NaCl. Simple way. We have to write word form. We have to write here word to their chemical formula also. Simple way, by the way of we have to write the chemical formula of compounds and recapitulation. This type of exam we have to write different type of chemical formula we have to write by this step also use and by in this way also. Now one more take one more example. Another one more example we have to take now. NaCl and write the chemical formula of write down the chemical formula of magnesium chloride also. And magnesium chloride, write down the chemical formula of magnesium chloride also, write down the chemical formula of magnesium chloride. So magnesium and chloride, we have to, how many constituents are there? Magnesium means we have to write here one constant Mg, and chloride means Cl also. Next, in second step, to write the another step, Mg and Cl constituents are there, and write there below valency. Atomic number of magnesium also, atomic number of Mg, here 12, electronic configuration 282, in its last cell how many electrons are there? 2, and valency of magnesium also 2, and chlorine also valency. In previous example we have to sodium chloride, so chlorine having valency is also 1, and to cross multiply with one another, again Mg we have to write here valency 2, Cl having valency 1, and cross multiply Cl cross with Mg valency and Mg cross with Cl. So cross multiply, only cross multiply, and here write Mg, how many Mg are here? 1, only one Mg are there, and there how many Cl are there? 2. So molecular formula of the magnesium chloride is MgCl2. So in this way, simple way, we have to write the chemical formula of compounds. Recapitulation, this type of example, this type of compounds, different compounds having their in this way, write the chemical formula and recapitulation also. We will write this type of example in a write in a examination also. Now we have to clear, we have to completed all the topic in this lesson. Composition of matter also completely completed from law of chemical combination to up to chemical formula of compounds and recapitulation. All these topic we have to clear in lesson number 4, measurement of matter also. Measurement of matter is lesson completed, and next video we have to start new lesson is acid, bases and salts are start.